Good morning, traders. So here's Nick the Traders for our third live stream about reviewing prop firms. Today we're gonna continue to trade my funded next stellar one step challenge, guys. I'm gonna show you this. This is my position that I took this morning earlier. I will explain you the trade later. First, we're gonna go through our dashboard from my funding from funding next prop firm, guys. So I'm gonna just look gold little bit before we starting. So we entering the trade around 2.665. It was our entry. uh it was a guess. This trade was a guess. It My type of trading when we start US session, guys. We are about to be 9 a.m. I was looking to going long into this area right here. We can see that we have the supportive area around this level here. Then if we drawing Fibonacci, because as I explained it in our past live stream, I always want fibs to be with the market structure, right? So boom, from the past impulsive, we can see that we have the 38.2 Fibonacci in that area that match exactly with the structure. And if we use from our last leg here, we have the 61.8 as well. So in the area we have the 38.2, the 61.8 with this beautiful structure right here, right? So we can see when we're going on the 30-minute time frame that we have 1 week. So market have reacted one time from that level, as we can see here with this beautiful candle here. I'm gonna put that away. So we can see the market trying to push to the downside and reacted right away to create this beautiful bullish candle right here. So my strategy is in these kind of situation, like we are starting US session, we are wicking from my 61.8 and supportive area. Everything is in confluence, so I'm always trying to take my first position around the same place that the market wicked before. Right here, stop. I put my stop below this wick right here. So this is a little stop. This is a little stop loss, about 30 pip stop loss. I'm gonna show you guys the trade into the MT5 terminal of my funded next. So I need to log in. So I'm gonna hide my screen to log into my account, guys. Sorry. Normally it's login by itself, but right now I'm not sure. I think it's because I closed my computer during the weekend. So I'm gonna just close that to log in into my funded next account. Market is closing in 1 minute. Sorry for the waiting, guys. So I am logging it right now. So y'all can see. Yeah, so y'all can see the screen, right? Yeah, all right, perfect. Sorry. I'm just gonna plug my phone. Gonna miss charger. All right. So gold on M30 time frame. So we have beautiful closure on gold, as we can see right here. Wick, wick, wick. Can maybe try to take. So here, this is the MT5 platform, guys, of my of funding next. And I'm just still learning about this platform, so we're gonna learn it together, because right now what I want to do is see my trade entry. We can see that we are running 45 pip in profit. I just wanted to show you the entries and the stop loss, which I should put break even right now. Trading history, trades. Trading account, chart setting. Okay, stop and TP level. So you can see that I have a perfect entry this morning, guys. Really perfect entry. We're entering the trade right here around 2.665. Stop loss is 30 pip. We're already running about 48 pip in profit. So I'm gonna modify my position and put my stop loss at break even. 65.4. Just like that. Maybe the market gonna come back break even. We don't know. But it's a beautiful opportunity because the market reacted good from our entry point, right? So as you can see right here, in this kind of situation, I can look to enter another trade because we have wick, wick, wick. I'm gonna look to maybe enter another position. And we want a quick reaction. On this one, we starting the week, so we have good entry on one trade, stop loss at break even as well. Yeah, so our stop loss is at break even. I will show you the point that I'm looking as target, guys. So on this trade, which is stop loss, it's at break even right now. I'm gonna look to have my first target around this structure area right here. So we can see that the market have a high right here. So resistance, supportive right here, supportive right here. So this is the big area that we can use as target. Okay. So between 2.678 and 2.680. Okay. So this is will be our first target. Sorry guys. All right. Sorry for that. Little chart problem. So first target can be here, and second target, if we're drawing a fib from this high into this low, we can see that we have 38.2 matching with our 38.2 here and our 0.33, which is a good indication that my first target will be good. If the market going up, it's a good place to use as a target. It's simple as that. Then looking the gold on the 4-hour time frame, drawing big Fibonacci from the upside to the downside, and we have the 0.786 right there. Okay, so the big trend on gold, like we can see that it's looking like gold, it's ready for a big movement to the downside. This is my point of view on gold on the long term. That's not mean that it's gonna go up down right now, but I expect gold to going down as a long-term trade. So first target is here because it's maybe a good place to for taking short, to go short. Okay, 61.8, big supportive and resistance area as well at this point. So we're gonna see, but for now, as we can see, we have good entry. Our entry is at break even as well. So target will be 2680. So we're putting 79.9. So US session has started maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour ago. We have big reaction from that level, guys. I hope we will see gold pushing like a 80, 100 pip to the upside. Um, if not, because we can see that all trader have been fished from the past night trade because we were in a good uptrend on gold. We can see we have taken good trade. Last week we have taken good trade uh on buy. I think we buy right here. We took some long position right here as well. So we can see that the market starting to have some manipulation, but um I expect maybe in the next hour a little push, right now market have made a 55 pip wick through the upside, so I would like to see another 55 pip through the upside. We are maybe 50 pip in profit right now. From the entry it will be a 145 pip trades around, but market have no big reaction right now. Volatility is very low as well. It will be interesting to see what market's gonna do next. So as we can see from last week explication of pound yen, um, market did market did what I said. So as you can see, I tell you guys that if I want to go long on GBP GPY and for a possibility to come back through the resistance level here in the upside, we want a consolidation and a break of this consolidation, pull back on the resistance, and this is when we're gonna go long. But unfortunately, the market consolidated, yes, but didn't broke to the downside. Didn't broke to the upside. The market broke it to the downside. So what I was waiting yesterday was a pullback right here. So the market is downtrending downtrending hard right now, as we can see. And the market if didn't even come back to the 61.8 of Fibonacci, as we can see here as well. We retrace even not on the 38.2. So we have a lot of, that's mean that we have a lot of volatility to the downside. Okay, so what I was waiting yesterday was we were here about, I was waiting for a pullback into our 61.8 of Fibonacci with the market structure to going short through the downside. Unfortunately, we didn't even pull back into the area and we followed to the downside. So that's mean that the pound yen is have a lot of liquidity to the downside. A lot of seller in this market right now. All right. So market is coming back. As I say, we don't have a lot of volatility this morning, guys. It's pretty down. We don't have a lot of volume. So we can come back to the entry point easily, guys, easily. So we have a lot of reaction from that level, but that's not mean that we're gonna go up literally right now. We can maybe continue to range, maybe try to retest that level as well. That's mean that the seller are still in this market and they are not closing their position. We need some seller to take out their position for a push to the upside, that's for sure. It's still one of my first live streams, so I need to adapt myself, like to being more comfortable with you guys. It will take maybe 1 week of streaming and we will be good. But I'm still very good, I think, right now. Mm, so market opportunities are not on a point this morning. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So we started to make beautiful stare on GBP odd. This is what I'm seeing right now. So if we're looking this pair on the 4 hour, so I'm drawing my big Fibonacci from the downside to the upside because I'm using that as maybe further target, okay, further take profit. So we have an area of target right here if we're looking to going short. Then I'm going on the M30 time frame. I'm looking at the trend. What we're seeing right here, we're looking at the trend is downtrending. We're making lower highs and we're making lower lows. We just breached our past low at 1.98 from last night. So that's mean we're gonna wait for a corrective wave to continue the movement through the downside. Okay, so I'm gonna help myself to find a beautiful short entry with my tools. What are my tools? Are pretty simple, guys. We have the HEME right here. We have the structure area right here, and my Fibonacci. So we have the 38.2, which is not confluing with the structure. So we have the 50% of fib. I will like to see the 61.8 get tapped, stop below the high, above the high, and take profit to my 0.272 area, 0.272 of Fibonacci, and my structure area. Gold is consolidating. So gold is consolidating from the entry points. So GBP odd, oops, we have a beautiful opportunity. I will look for this setup for uh, tonight London session. So I would like to see him retraced a little bit during the day, and tonight London session seeing a reaction from the 61.8, then take a short. So we need gold reacting more as we are in profit little bit into the account. So we are 9:30. We're gonna see next close in 5 minutes. It will be interesting. So next closure, 3 minutes 50 seconds. So it's 3 minutes left for the next candle closure. So I'm always looking at the news when it's come to trade the US dollar during the US session. You know, when you trade gold, you trading gold with against the US dollar. So you always need to come and come here. I like to use the my Facebook economic calendar. So you coming here, my Facebook economic in the economic calendar, and you go on today. Then you coming here and you're looking for red news. Okay, this is the news with the highest impact in the market, because the medium impact news are not that impacting the market, maybe a little candle, and the low impact news are not impacting the market at all. So you can see gold is wicking a little bit from the entry. The entry is here, but we would like to see a blue candle closure, a green candle closure. So we have no red impact, high impact news on the US dollar this morning, which means we're not gonna see a lot of um, volatility. Okay, so I would like to see this candle close green. Right, sorry, someone of my team messaging me. I need to answer him. Mm-hmm. 30 seconds left. So closure is not that good. It's a red candle. Stop loss is just here. But stop loss is at it's at break even right now. So we entered the trade right here on this wick at the past level of this wick. You can see the market trying to come back right now. Stop loss is break even. Take profit will be here. So I'm gonna show you a little bit the My Fund Index dashboard. This is the MT5 platform with I think it's nice. It's a good platform, but for my next account challenge that I will try, I will not choose the MT5 platform first for reviewing the other platform with you guys, but the second reason will be that I don't find the MT5 web terminal very effective as the MT4 was. So I will try. Maybe I think they have CTrader or other platform. I will try this platform with you guys in the next challenge that we're gonna try. Uh, Today we trading. So we are trading the funded next challenge. I choose the Stellar challenge, which is the most popular model. So you can see their website right here. Just gonna go look at gold. We need a push on gold. Let's go, bro. Push on gold. Push on gold. You able. So yeah, this is their. I like this thumbnail. Pretty clean. Pretty clean thumbnail. Okay, so it's made it 2022. Okay, so Stellar. I choose the. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick this morning. Uh, so yeah, you have the Stellar and the Stellar Light. The Stellar Light is looking very interesting. Um, it's because of the cost. Yeah, the Stellar Light, the difference is the Stellar. Right now, I choose the one step. Okay, so we trading the one step Stellar account challenge, which is you need to make 10% profit without losing 6%, and you have a 3% daily drawdown. Okay, news trading are allowed. This is why I choose this challenge, because we need to have news trading allowed to not have to close your trade every little news. Okay, you're able gold. Let's go. Fuck. So, um, you have the two step and the one step. I better like the one step. But for the Stellar Light, which is pretty interesting, is that you have it's a two-step challenge, but you need to make total of 12% without losing 8%. So if you are the kind of trader that have more drawdown into your trade or into your account, it can be a good choice for you, because you have 8% drawdown for only 12% as target. News trading are allowed, minimum trading day, 5 day. It's not a problem for me, because I am a swing trader. Okay, with you guys in the live, I'm trading some day trade, but I'm more the kind of trader which trade um we took day trade, swing trade. Sorry, guys. So yeah, this is we have our position. We running into profit for we're running around 50 pip in profit right now, 40 pip. Target is at 2.677. Okay, this is our target. I will expect it to it over New York session, or maybe for Tokyo Asian session tonight. Okay, we are trading the Stellar one step challenge, and my next challenge I will like to try the Stellar Light, as I explained it before, because we have bigger drawdown for only 12% as target. And for don't forget that with funded next you are paid 50% profit share from challenge phase, which is pretty interesting, because if I'm passing the challenge I will have 50% from the profit that I made. So it's pretty interesting. So yeah, gold is ranging. Yeah, so gold is ranging, guys. It's been a pleasure to be with you this morning. Don't forget that we will be live every morning from Monday to Tuesday to Thursday, uh, from 9 a.m. New York time for New York session. We're gonna try New York session with you guys. So it's been a pleasure to be with you, and I wish everyone a great week of trading, guys. See you all tomorrow.